Right, so just arrived at this barbecue village here, and I'm going to have a look around to see what's there, because there are no people, still no people, and I think that's the best opportunity to see it. Although you see someone's coming, so I will better hurry up. These barbecue facilities here, sound great. There is a path going that way. Oh, that's a glass bottom boat there. I doubt they are going to stop. So you know what, I'm just going to take this little walk and see where it goes. It's going to take me. My kayak is well secured there, and you can see the weather today is much nicer, much nicer. I better be careful. There may be some nails here, I don't know what else I may find here. But that's a small island, so I think I probably should be able to walk this very fast. I hope so. Yeah, you see this little buddy here. It's moving. It's a small crab, I think. Not much to see really. It's just another viewpoint, sort of. And yeah, the pelican just diving in. I think didn't catch anything this time. Okay, so I better go my way back, but first look at this. I just saw it. They're eating from this fruit, and there's lots of them. I really don't know the fruit trees here and the trees in general. The only one I can recognize is the ackee tree, which I just saw yesterday and this morning as well. But I can only recognize it by seeing the red fruit. So I guess that's what is to live on a lonely island. Oh, well, the boat has parked right next to me. Hopefully just tourists that want to see something. Oh, they're already on the island. Well, I'm glad I'm here then. I've been the first one on the island for today. And now I'll be back on my way, because in 30 minutes we gotta go on a trip to see how the local people cook food. And there you go. Okay, chicos. So now, goodbye from me and see you again very soon.